Hi guys, welcome to an update video. There's many things I have to talk about. First of all, thank you for joining the Shogi Fire Horse Challenge. We're on day 5, 2 more to go. Yeah, Alice is enjoying it as well. I hope you do. In the meantime, we had Fukuma's Pro Examination Game 2 finished. We'll have Game 3 upcoming, but as you guys know, I didn't do a video about the Game 2. I was planning to make a recap, but I don't know if it's still necessary. If you really will want it, please let me know in the comments. That's gonna motivate me. And the Game 2 is coming on the March 27th, according to this. And it's against Ikegaki Hiroto for Dan. So this will be Satami's last chance to win. She needs now 3 wins in a row in order to become professional player. If she doesn't, then we will probably see Nishiyama become a professional through a different road by getting 5 titles of Hakurei, but that's a topic for another video. As you can see, as I clicked here on Discord, we have those events on top left, and we've been adding more and more of them so that you are all updated. There is a reminder tomorrow at 1 p.m. the Swiss time that there is the Kishin Worlds Tournament Qualifier number 1. I recommend, if you can join it, to join it. If you are in, let me rephrase it, if you will be in ESC this year, it's worth trying out to qualify for that. It's a fun tournament. It's tomorrow, so don't miss it. If you click interested, it's gonna ping you that the event has started. You have to register for it through Shogi Wars app. And then we have a deadline reminder on February 26th. The 27th is the last day to register for the Rico Cup. There is the link. You can still register for that for the next 5 days. Yeah, so don't forget about it if you're waiting for the last moment. I also missed my time to update the next investigations. I'm aware, it's just that I've gotten sick recently and I have to delay it for a few days. I'm remembering about it, Capivara, don't worry. We're gonna get there. And as you have been perhaps noticing in our general chat, we had huge discussions about spring cleaning happening. It's started a little bit earlier than I anticipated, but I'm really happy that it did, because we started making those beginner tournaments thanks to 2 of our volunteers, 3 actually volunteers, Cesar, Omi, and Ice Fox. Thanks to them, we've been, where is it? I don't know if I can find it quickly. But anyway, every time they will be running an event, it's once more is gonna appear here. We should actually add the weekly ladder here as well so that people remember. So far we had 7 people in total join 2 tournaments and everybody's been happy with it, so I'm super happy that things are moving forward. We are also working on cleaning up the resources for the Shogi Harbour webpage, and the USA one as well, gonna be updated as well. And yeah, there is a lot going on, and I hope to explain it maybe in another video, but we're gonna start cleaning the webpage, start cleaning the Discord, and plan new stuff as it goes. Of course, I'm still working on my book. In the meantime, Riko is working on hers, so we hope to have new Shogi resources soon. Many things are happening, and this one video is not gonna do it. But yeah, keep getting updated through the events, through those harbor messages. And here, I don't know if you guys know, there's Shogi promotion announcements. This is, for example, announcement for the Kishin. There is the US Shogi Championship announcement. If you're in Poland, there is the Warsaw Open. Here I organized it this way, so it's more visible. And you can, of course, if you're from Europe, you can limit it all to Europe. There is the, for example, Intercity Shogi Cup 2026. If you didn't know, you can check it out. If you're in North America, you have to deselect the Europe and like select. As you can see, there is nothing in Africa, but international event, once more Kishin will pop up. So if you guys have ideas how to improve Discord, how to improve YouTube, and how to make our next step in Shogi promotion in the world, let me know in the comments. We are listening to everyone's feedback, taking it all in. And even if immediately there is no fruit of that, we really are thinking about everything and just making things in order. Yeah. So all those, for example, big tournaments ideas, we also have it written down. It's coming. Yeah. But one thing after another. Thank you for listening and see you on the Discord. Bye.